Mark Zuckerberg will announce at Facebook Connect that Facebook will become a Metaverse company. That could be Facebook changing its name to Metaverse, or create a corporate holding a company called Metaverse, or a virtual world to replace the internet called Metaverse. Metaverse, however, wasn't a new idea. Neal Stephenson coined the word for his science fiction novel, Snow Crash, in 1992. I started my tech career as a QA intern at Fujitsu, WorldsAway, in 1997, one of many metaverse worlds during the dial-up days of the early, modern internet. In this video, I'll explain what the 1990s Metaverse was and what the Facebook Metaverse could be. Snow Crash defined the Metaverse as a virtual world of a future internet. Users log in as 3D avatars that interact with each other in the virtual world. Big business and organized crime control different aspects of the virtual world. A new drug called Snow Crash caused users to crash in the virtual world and in real life. A group of hackers tried to stop the new drug while confronting the powers to be. 3 influential movies in the past 25 years define what the metaverse could be in the future. Ghost in the Shell was the 1995 Japanese anime movie that blazed the path for virtual worlds on the big screen.
その気になれば体内に埋め込んだ化学プラントで代謝の制御、視覚の鋭敏化、運動能力や反射の飛躍的な向上。文句を言う筋合いじゃないわ。
The Matrix gave us the choice between the red pill and the blue pill.
You take the blue pill, the story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill, you stay in Wonderland, and I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes.
Player Ready 1 is what Snow Crash should have been on the big screen. Snow Crash became the holy grail of the 1990s Metaverse Scene. WorldsAway was a 2.5D virtual world that started on CompuServe in 1995. A user's avatar could move up, down, left, right, or flip around to change directions. Going left or right, or clicking on a door or teleporter would take the avatar to a different room. The highlight of my internship was the Avatar's 97 conference in San Francisco. My role was to set up the demo PCs, provide technical support, and record video of the WorldAways demos. Recording video meant lugging around a heavy Panasonic VHS camera on my shoulder. Bruce Demer, the conference host, came out with his new book that year, Avatars, Exploring and Building Virtual Worlds on the Internet. I got this book on October 24th, 1997, 24 years ago. Many of the virtual worlds mentioned in this book no longer exist today. Video games became the new frontier for virtual worlds since then. As hardware grew in power, it became easier to create immersive 3D environments. Multiplayer games like Fortnite took off in popularity in recent years. After my internship, I worked in the video game industry for 6 years and went into corporate IT support. What is the Facebook Metaverse? From the various reports I read, there are 3 possibilities of what it could be. Facebook could change its name to become known for something else besides social media. Most people know Facebook for its bankrupt reputation of spreading misinformation about politics and vaccines online. Philip Morris, the tobacco company, changed its name to the Ontario Group in 2003, allowing its other brands like Kraft Foods and Miller Brewing to flourish. Facebook could create a holding company for holding Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, preempting a congressional proposal to split Facebook into smaller companies. If Facebook separates Instagram and WhatsApp under a holding company, Congress has nothing to do. Never mind that Zuckerberg would still remain in control. Facebook could create a virtual world that goes beyond anything available today. A virtual world that could be a future version of the internet. From what I've seen so far, I doubt that will happen anytime soon. If there is any company that aspires to be the evil corporate owner of a virtual world, it would be Facebook. That's it for today's show. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching.